Happy Tuesday. I am going to get ready for a piano performance. So I'm gonna do outfit, I'm gonna do makeup. Um, I'm not nervous, I'm a little excited. Well, I'm a little nervous, teeny tiny, but I know I'll be okay. I have memorized the piece, playing it, and yeah, I'm just gonna go with the flow here. I'm trying to get more into performing. Ouch, let me take this off. Get more into performing, and I just did a little bit of skincare prior to wearing makeup. I'm excited. I'm wearing this dress here. This top is from Zara. It's so pretty. It's such a pretty yellow, and I wanted to wear a dress, but I realized I haven't quite worn this meshki skirt that I've talked about like a billion times quite enough. So I do this meshki skirt, and then I'm gonna pair it with this Zara top. So I think I'm gonna do makeup first, right? Makeup first, and then do the outfit. All right. All done, and I'm gonna put on this outfit, but first protect the face before it smudges into everything. It's summer perfect. So for hair, I want to put my hair in a bun and kind of have some of the curls, ringlets of curls. So I'm gonna attempt to do that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, but I want some of the hair to define some of this. So I also need that to be ready. So maybe this one here, this one. Stay out, and maybe you stay out. Yeah, effortless, yeah. Okay, so gonna have to use the pin. And then now we're gonna need some of that gel to effortlessly. Yeah, boy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Stickies in here somewhere. I'm gonna arrange it. So for now, let's put this away for 10-15 minutes. But I'm probably going to leave the ones that are here out, so I know which ones I'm supposed to leave out when it dries. Add in these. I'm just gonna I don't have a formula for this at all. And I have this one here that's gonna go here, and then these other ones I'm just gonna insert right there, right there, and then this last one's gonna go here, like so. Okay, perfect. Then I'm gonna let go of these so that this will kind of hang around, and this is also gonna hang around like so. Okay. Mattens. I need the heel because my teacher's piano tends to be really tall, and I'm allegedly 5'5", so I need a bit of inches to kind of get to the pedal and be able to press it. So I'm gonna wear these. I'm gonna take some back out shoes as well. La la la. Okay, wait. I don't even know if you can see the whole thing yet. I'll have to give like a better 360 because I don't have a lot of good lighting here. But here's the final look. One of my favorite things about this top is this like bow action going on here, and I think it's so cute. I hope I do well today. I have practiced, prayed, but I'm also learning how to have more confidence performing. One thing I'm realizing is that, practicing on my own or playing for family and friends is very different from like performing. I think performing kind of brings, it's a different set of stakes, right? It's like you have to get it right, you have to enjoy it. I'm finding a bit of a balance between making sure I get the notes right, but also recognizing that mistakes are part of the process. I think one of the most beautiful things that piano is teaching me is allowing myself to make mistakes and allowing myself to understand that a part of the art involves mistakes, but still being able to celebrate them. So yeah, I really like all of this look. I think looking cute helps with, the nerves of like, am I going to do well? Another dress that I absolutely loved this summer was this dress from Ghana, sewn by my seamstress. Hi, Sister Kia. This was overworn at this point. My sisters are like, you wear this dress too much. And then this was one of my favorite work from home outfits this summertime. This dress, the striped dress, is from the Goodwill, and I paired it with this polka dot scarf that I have and this long necklace. I think it was so cute. I wore these sunglasses to take a walk later that afternoon. And then this was a dress from Amazon, and I wore it to the park. It has this adjustable flap in the back, so if it doesn't fit, you can always adjust it to fit it well. I really liked it. It had pockets, which I think is always the best thing ever. Dress that have pockets, and I paired it with these chunky sandals. So yeah, this was another one of my favorite outfits for the summertime. And since we're recounting it, I did this braid out, which I think really worked with it, and then the scarf. And I'm shaking my hair because I think this braid out turned out really well. I paired it with this school bag for the park, and then this was a dress that I converted to a skirt, and I took this to a wedding toast. I think I did an OOTD of this, and it was also one of my top 5 summer, maybe for the purpose of this end of summer outfits. And finally, this dress from ASOS that I took to Theo and Amber's wedding. Yeah, I feel like these are my top 6 outfits for the summertime, and now we're gonna get ready for fall fashion, and I cannot wait to share some of it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. I love you. Jesus loves you more. Payush. Bye.